Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Binance Google Authenticator. First, understand that Google Authenticator provides a vital layer of security for your Binance account. This setup links your Binance account directly to the Authenticator app on your mobile device. Before we begin, make sure you have both the Binance app and the Google Authenticator app installed. Remember to securely back up your secret key. It's essential for account recovery. To start, download the Google Authenticator app from your phone's App Store. Once installed, open your Binance app and go to the security settings. Look for the Authenticator app option and tap Enable. Binance will then display a QR code and a 16-digit setup key. Open your Google Authenticator app, tap the plus sign, and either scan the QR code or manually enter the key to add your Binance account. After successfully linking, the Google Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit, time-sensitive code. Quickly return to the Binance app and enter this code into the designated verification field. Confirm the activation to enable two-factor authentication on your account. It's crucial to save the recovery key provided by Binance in a very secure location. This key is your only way to regain access if you lose your device or cannot access the Authenticator app. To maintain strong security, always keep your Google Authenticator app updated. Never share your secret key or the 6-digit authentication codes with anyone, as these are critical for account access. Explore other security features Binance offers, such as anti-phishing codes or withdrawal whitelisting, for added protection. Regularly check your Binance security settings to ensure no unauthorized changes have occurred, keeping your assets safe.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.